Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. I got a 2015 Kia Rio with the LX trim package I'd like to share with you. We're getting ready to put up for sale. We'll do a quick walk around on the outside. We'll go on the inside. You can see beautiful red exterior on this. It's got a cloth interior, light tan. We'll see more of that here in just a moment once we hop inside. Let me go ahead and show you the inside of the trunk. Okay, I went ahead and got the trunk open. So we'll go up here, show you there's all kinds of room back here, very clean, envelope style container here to put your items in, like from the grocery store. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. So go over here on the driver's side. So let's go ahead, hop in back, and I'll show you the interior. Okay, you can see now your door panels are a two-tone color. Very nice. Actually, it's got the same tan as the cloth seats, and then you do have the black. So let's go ahead and take a look up front. Okay, here we are. We're taking a peek up front. Show you the dash, but I'll actually hop in here in just a moment and show you everything. Show your door panel here and your left and right mirrors. You do have controls here for the interior lighting, traction control on or off. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, now this car does have a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine. It is a manual transmission, 6-speed transmission. But get up here, I'll show you the instrument cluster a little closer. And you do have controls here on your steering wheel on the left for your volume, for your audio. And then once you get over here on the right, you do have additional controls here for up on your cluster. And we take a look over here at your audio center. It does have FM, AM, SiriusXM connectivity. And then you get down here into your climate control, air conditioner. Now you do have multiple ports here for all your electronics, from USB auxiliary and your 12 volt. So you have those. And then come over here, you'll see you've got 2 cup holders. And let's take a look in back. And right here you can see the back from here. So that concludes our tour, ladies and gentlemen, of our 2015 Kia Rio LX 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, 6-speed manual transmission. You're going to get good fuel mileage with this. So if you're looking for something cheaper, this is going to be a fantastic option to consider. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. And we've got a lot of options for financing. So with that, hope you have a great day. Bye for now.